Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my lashes. First, I use mascara just so I can get my lashes as dark as possible so they don't look too discolored from the other lashes. So I love this mascara right here. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I really like this mascara though. Like, look at my eyelashes. You didn't even know they were like this. Okay, now stop me. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my lashes. My Marlo Minks and Style Iconic. I really like these lashes. I mean, I like all my lashes, but they are the bandless lashes, so they don't have like that hard like black strip in there. I mean, for some people's eyes they work perfectly, but these ones sometimes fit people that have smaller eyes better because some people can get really irritated with that band. So these would be good for you if you have smaller eyes and if your eyes get like really irritated with like that band being on there. But I like to wear both. I like to wear the bandless ones and I like the ones with the bands. Doesn't matter to me. I don't really get, my eyes don't really get too irritated either way. But these, they are iconic, okay? They are so cute. Okay. And I really like these for like every day. Like they like sexy, cute, because they can like, and they open your eyes more because you know when you have when the eyelashes are short right here and short at the end and they're like longer in the middle, they more so open your eyes. And that's what these babies gonna do. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my tweezers. I like to place my tweezers in the middle of the lash. So I usually use the Duo glue. That's my fave, but I don't have that right now. All I have is this Aerodel lash grip eyelash adhesive glue. So I'm just gonna use what I got. This is all I got here. I like to blow my lash just so it can start getting a little tacky, so when I do place it down it'll dry faster and it won't move. Basically you want to use like a mirror, the mirror like tilt it up so that you see like this. Like I don't know how to explain it. Like you want to see like you want to be able to look down and be like, ooh. If that make any sense. Like, alright, this is how my mirror is tilted, just so you guys can see. So basically my glue is damn near dry because I keep talking. What you want to do is place the eyelash the closest you can to your lash line in the middle, and then I use the tweezers to place the outer corners down, and then I squeeze them a little bit. Look at the difference though. It's like, see how it just opened my eye like, bam. It's so real cute. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this other lash. See, lashes is really easy. It's just the angle that you put them on, because you gotta see a certain angle. Oh, look at how like it's still like, I'm looking down and I can see my lash line. Try to place this in the middle. Okay. Okay, alright. Got it, girl. So this is how you apply lashes. Find my lashes. buy my lashes. But yeah, you should buy my lashes. Cause then you'll be a bad bitch. Buy my lashes. And you gonna be a bad bitch. And you gonna be looking like this. Like a bad bitch. Oh, but for real, buy my lashes. Buy my lashes. Let me zoom out so you can see the lashes. Wow. Ain't that so cute? I hope you guys find it easy now to apply lashes, because a lot of people think that applying lashes is hard, but it's really not. It's just about the angle that you put them on at. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys liked this tutorial and found it helpful. And bye my lashes.